Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by disconnecting the battery negative terminal to prevent errors and accidental airbag deployment. Once done, remove the shifter knob by pulling up firmly while pressing the release clip. This gives access to the small trim. Use plastic pry tools to lift the front console trim from the seams. You want to avoid scratching. Make sure to locate and remove the two Torx screws under the front lip. These are holding the lower console. Doing this first speeds the rest of the process. Once the front screws are out, move to the sides. Open the side storage bin and remove the 1 or 2 hidden screws inside, then pry the side panels outward from the lower edge. You should work symmetrically. This prevents binding and cracking. Next, tilt the center console slightly to reveal the cup holder and heated seat connector plugs. Press the tabs and unplug them. Keep track of which connector goes where. If a clip resists, stop and find the retention screw rather than forcing the plastic. You finish by lifting the console rear first to disengage the rear hooks. This prevents snapping front tabs. Make sure wiring has slack and that no harnesses are still clipped under the console. If bolts remain under the rear trim, remove them first. Once free, set the console on a soft surface. For reassembly, reverse steps. Reconnect plugs, align clips, seat the rear hooks, then reinstall screws. If something won't seat, stop and check connector orientation and clip alignment rather than over-tightening.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.